Hi, greetings of the day. My name is Satwinder Kaur and I am in the group 035 and my student ID is EMV81029. Today I am going to discuss about my company Shiva Shops. So let's take a look at overview of this company. In 1986, Shiva Shop was founded by Gary and Mary on the Lansdale Road, Melbourne CBD, and the first ever store of Shiva Shop was built up and which still works efficiently and successfully. Shiva Shop was on currently 120 stores across Australia, and Shiva Shops deal with male and female personal grooming products and aspire to the market leaders in all the things related to their hair removals. It offers the best possible advice and products to their customers at the possible lowest price. They're highly competitive on their price policy and take every step to ensure customers have a different variety of products. The company expert learning and solid reputation in the individual preparing empowers it to arrange selective items with the providers. The journey that they have been started over 30 years ago is the presently at the highest of the success and contributing more in the world of. Let's take a look at operational activities of Shiva Shop. So first of all, their online sale growth is more than 47%. 38 of top 50 products are exclusive in their all stores. They prefer their brand awareness by 87% and moreover, they expand their own brand product. I would like Diksha to continue this presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Satwinder. So today I'm going to talk about the presentation product information for Shiva Shops company. So let me introduce myself. My name is Diksha Sharma and I'm in the group 035 and my student ID is ENV81045. So the products that company produce are for two different categories, for men as well as for the women. So for the men, they produce electric shavers, body trimmers, body groomers, beard trimmers, and manual care, oral care, massages. And for women, they produce the lady hair removal products, hair styling products, oral care, beauty products, and massages, etc. This was all about the products produced by Shiva Shop Private Limited that they sell in their 120 stores that are operationally located in Melbourne, Australia and Auckland, New Zealand. Let's have a look at the crucial financial statements that Shiva Shop has experienced in the past year which made us choose this company. So first of all, the sales. The sales of the company in the year 2019 goes up by 8.7% and reaches at $159.4 million. That's a huge amount. Latest technology that has made online transactions easier and simpler, which benefited Shiva Shops at its online networking. That sales shoot up with 47% growth from ongoing e-commerce progress. Now, if we talk about the earnings of the company's annual report elucidates that after including $1.0 million of one-time cost, the earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization is $12.2 million. Operating cash flow of Shiva Shop rises by $15.5 million with 197% growth from $10 million. Strong financial reports and the position with net debts at $8.4 million depicts that the strong and long-term holds the company in the retail industry. Now, Shiva Shops has already made its physical presence felt by everyone by purchasing 8 new greenfield in financial year 2018, 19 and 19-20, while 4 franchises buys for new store networkings. Thank you so much. This was all about my part of presentation.
Hi, this is Rupesh and I'm from group number 35 and my student ID is GEV3015. So in this part, I'm going to talk about the financial ratios which seems applicable to our company, the Shiva Shop Limited. As our friend Diksha and Satwinder, they already told about the introduction for this company. So I'm going to talk about the financial ratios that seems to be applicable to our company. So the financial ratios, they're the ratios which are created with the use of numerical values taken from the financial statements to gain meaningful information about the company. The numbers found in the company's financial statements, which are balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statements, which are used to perform quantitative analysis and assess a company's liquidity, leverage, growth, margins, profitability, rates of return, valuation, and more. So for the SaverSoft Limited, we choose liquidity ratio and activity turnover ratio. And my friend Kanchan's gonna talk more about these ratios. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kanchan Aryal. My student ID is EMB3602. As Rupesh already told you about the two ratio we have chosen. So first one is liquidity ratio and second one is activity turnover ratio. So in liquidity ratio, we got two ratio. First one is current ratio and second one is acid test ratio. So in current ratio, we can calculate the current ratio by current assets upon current liabilities, and second one is acid test ratio, in which we can calculate by cash assets plus receivable upon current liabilities. So we got another one. Next one is activity turnover ratio. In activity turnover ratio, we got three turnover ratio. First one is total assets turnover. So total assets turnover ratio is calculated by revenue upon average total assets, and second one is inventory turnover ratio. So inventory turnover ratio is calculated by cost of sales upon average inventory. So third one is debtor turnover ratio. So debtor turnover ratio is calculated by net cash sales upon average receivable balance. So I'm going to hand over to Bipin for the further information. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rupesh and Kanchan, for speaking about part B of our assignment. Now I'm going to tell you about part C of our assignment. In part C, we will discuss about the company, the uses of financial ratio by the company. From financial ratio, we have chosen liquidity ratio and active turnover ratio for our chosen company, SaverSoft Limited. Liquidity ratio assists the firm to know whether they have sufficient finance to clear the current debt, whereas active turnover ratio helps to measure the efficiency of SaverSoft Private Limited company in utilizing its resources or assets. These ratios are crucial for the company because it provides complete knowledge about their financial position as well as about their conversion rate of assets into sales. The liquidity ratio helps to indicate current ratio and quick test ratio, whereas active turnover ratio assists to indicate total assets turnover, inventory turnover, as well as debtors turnover ratio. As we mentioned above that, the company holds the ratio of 1/14.1 of current ratio. So the SaverSoft Limited company holds good ratio, but to do better, they need to control overhead expenses, they need to control overhead expenses, give less attention to useless assets, as well as they need to maintain good investment strategy. Thank you so much. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.